What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble your Taurus 9mm pt111 G2. This guy's right here. Well, first thing you want to do is you're going to release the mag, put that aside, and then if you already got one in the chamber, you can make sure you got that out of the way. Make sure it's nice and clear. I just got back from doing a little bit of shooting, and I actually haven't cleaned it in a long time. You can see a little rust building up. It's my everyday carry. So what you're gonna do is there's two slide little pins, one on this side, one right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna slide back like if you're racking up, and then you're gonna push your slide release up to hold a slide. You can see this one right here. So you're gonna hold a slide, and then you're gonna get those two pins on both sides. You're gonna push it down, and then you're gonna release your slide up here. Let it slide, and then you're just gonna fire it, and the slide's gonna pop right off. Okay. And then once you're done cleaning, of course, you know, you got to take off the coil or the spring here, all that, and oil up your stuff, your slide parts, your trigger, all that good stuff. All you got to do is basically just grab your slide. You can see the two slots there. They need to fit right into these guys right here, as so. You'll cock it all the way back and make sure it fires. And that's pretty much going to be it. All right, hope you liked the video. Go ahead and give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for a few other things. Thanks.